Hi there, welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafu. I saw this in one of my groups that I belong to, and I thought I should share it with you guys. It is titled Mental Revolution. This is strictly for Africans, particularly Nigerians home and abroad. When a French national cannot speak English, Nigerians and most Africans respect him. When a Spanish man can't speak English, Nigerians and most Africans respect him. When a Chinese man cannot speak English, Nigerians and most Africans respect him. When a Russian man can't speak English, Nigerians and most Africans respect him. When a Portuguese man can't speak English, Nigerians and most Africans still respect him. Even if one Lebanese or Indian man can knock some kind of upside down English, una go still respect them. But when a Nigerian or an average African can't speak English properly, Nigerians and most Africans consider him a joke, illiterate, dumb, and stupid. That's the level or extent of damage Africans have suffered as a people. We use the English language as a yardstick to measure intelligence of our people, including children. In our schools, children are made to believe they are stupid and dumb just because they cannot speak a language that is alien to their ancestral roots. Most Africans, Nigerians most especially, refer to their language as vernacular. What a shame. My fellow Nigerians, my dear Africans, when are you going to put a lasting end to this mental slavery?
Teach your children
their mother tongue and allow their locals to feel free in speaking Pidgin English and their native languages without any stigma. Stop allowing this colonial mentality and quit empowering the oppressors to extend their oppression. This is a wake-up call. God bless you all. I'm Bafo. Keep it locked on Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. Bye for now.